Howdy, welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. This week I'm looking at salmon, and it turns out that salmon is keto. So I say, well, what will go with salmon that's keto? How about some broccoli, some cauliflower? Well, I put it all together. I make one nice, easy to prepare dish of salmon with sides, and it's all keto. Want to see how I make that? Follow me along in this video. My God, what did you eat?
Hey there, neighbor.
Hey, Wilson. How you doing? How was Alaska?
Good, good. Caught me some fish while I was there.
Good, huh? The fishing was good?
Yep, except I'm missing some fish this morning.
What? You're already missing fish?
Yeah, one of my prize salmon went missing this morning.
Salmon? I don't know nothing about it. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, the tough find something to eat. The best way to do that is to cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living, making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Thanks again for watching.